Hello everyone, let's create this kind of PPT. Take a blank slide, right click, go to Format Background, click on the gradient fill, go to Preset Gradients and select Top Spotlight Accent 4. Change the color of the third gradient stop to light gray. Close the Format Background, insert an oval shape to the blank slide, adjust the height to 5 and width 2. Shape outline as no outline. Duplicate this shape 2 times and keep it apart. Adjust the width of third oval shape to 5. Now go to first oval shape, click on rotate and choose rotate right 90 degree. Select all the shapes, go to align and choose align center and align middle. Select the shape, go to merge shape and choose fragment. Delete the center one. Now select two shapes together, go to merge shapes and choose union. In this way, select the remaining shapes one by one and choose union from the merge shapes. Now select all together, right click, go to format shape, select effects option. Now click on the shadow preset tab and choose inner center. Give a grey color to it, blur to 47 points, close the format background. Now select one particular section, go to format shape, shape fill, yellow color, give red, green and violet color for the remaining 3 sections. Now go to insert tab, choose icons and select any 4 and click on the insert. Give white color to the icons. Adjust the height and width to 0.8. Now place the icons inside the shape one by one. Go to graphics outline and choose black color for all the 4 icons. Now insert a text box and write heading 01. Give font agency FB, font size 24 and make it bold. Duplicate 3 more times and place it near the other shapes and change the number. Choose heading 01. Give yellow color by selecting the eyedropper. Assign different colors to the heading 2, 3 and 4 by placing the eyedropper. Now insert another text box below heading 1 and type the description. Give font Arial narrow, font size 20. Duplicate 3 more times and place it below the other heading. Select each shape and press Ctrl G to group. In the similar way, select the heading and the description together, press Ctrl G to group it. Now draw a text box in the center of the shape, type title, give font Arial narrow, make it bold and font size 32. Go to format shape, click on the text options, choose gradient fill and select any 3 colors from the colors tab or from the shape which you have created. Now go to text effects option, click on shadow and choose outer offset right. Blur to 17 points, choose grey color. Now go to reflection and choose tight reflection. Distance 2 points and blur to 10 points. Close format shape. Now duplicate the slide, click on the heading, go to animation, click on add animation, choose more entrance effects and select peek in. Click OK. Start after previous, duration 1.25 seconds and delay 0.50 seconds. Now go to animation painter, double click on it and keep it on the second, third and fourth heading simultaneously. Now go back to the first slide, zoom out the slide, drag the shapes apart on the 4 corners of the slide. Now drag the title on the outer top part. Next, drag the headings on the side. Now go to transition, click on morph, change the duration to 2.50 seconds and apply to all. Now click on the slideshow to see the results. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.